Volkswagen Golf R power dropped down to 296 bhp due to WLTP emissions rules. Volkswagen's best hot bring forth takes after the SEAT Leon Cupra with a diminishment in capacity to mollify new outflows laws. Volkswagen has minimized the intensity of its lead Golf R hot bring forth, implying that the association's Honda Civic Type R match presently creates 296 bhp. The diminishment in control from 306 bhp is because of new WLTP efficiency and CO2 directions, and the more tightly discharge requests achieved by the new mandates. A Volkswagen representative revealed to Auto Express, with regards to new homologations, there are adaptations for the fumes gas treatment and for the power yield. Starting now and into the foreseeable future, all Golf R models will highlight a 300 PS, 296 bhp motor. The Golf R is the second turbocharged 2.0-liter hot incubate from the Volkswagen Group to have its capacity yield diminished because of WLTP. A week ago, SEAT affirmed it would dial down the intensity of the Leon Cupra 300, dropping it back to its past aggregate of 286 bhp and rebadging the model the Leon Cupra 290. Golf Rs on a range currently will be fitted with a more prohibitive fumes framework that further diminishes nitrous oxide discharges. The drop in capacity to submit to WLTP appears to have incited some minor changes to the Golf R lineup in the UK also. Volkswagen has affirmed that the three entryway forms of the Golf R have been dropped, albeit some current stock is as yet accessible through merchants. In the meantime, as per VW's online configurator, the Auto's manual gearbox alternative has additionally been erased, which means all industrial facility requested autos will be DSG models starting now and into the foreseeable future.